It's a bleak start of the year as a lot of people have lost their houses as roofs have been blown away in many houses, especially here in Pienaar township. We are at one of the houses that was also damaged. This house was damaged on the 31st of December when then a hailstorm coupled with like strong winds came here and blew off the roof of this house, damaging everything in the house. The house has nothing inside. Yesterday they managed to get these covers to cover the roof, but also again more rain came in and then started damaging the house even further, damaging even these sails that they gave them to actually cover the houses. These are the couches that are soaking. Everything in this house is soaking wet. The people here, they say that they have not slept since the 31st of December when the rain started here in this area. So you can imagine that the people here that have been affected by this, and this house also alone, it has been badly affected in this area. They're talking about many houses. The count is still ongoing as we speak. The bed there that you're seeing there and the cupboards that you are seeing there, they are wet. The clothing, everything in this house is soaking wet. And these are some of the people that have been affected by this rain that has started on the 31st. So you can imagine that the people that are in this house and the community that in this community, they are reeling with shock, with the trail of destruction that they have seen in this area. Let's now bring in Thomas, who is a person that is actually looking after this house because his aunt lives far from this area. Thomas, just talk to us. Challenge ukuthi kwenzakaleni ma indlu ehamba.
Yes, lokwendekile vele kubhlungu, but njengani nje uyabona mzala ukuthi usukela ngabo 31 ngabo December ebusuku yonke ngani sivele sencaza solo sesihlede simile nje asina kusistolala asina kusistodla yini ukuthi nethi nje sibantu nje siphila ko lemhlabeni siforo le imvula iyendekile njengamanje le 2 days le nje evula 31 neyitolo futhi 31 January until now le into solo noma nimuyibona nje libala kuphela le into asina ukuthi vele siyohlala aphi noma siya ulala kuphi but vele asina lutho kusistowena njani
manje lisolala gophe lizoyenza kanjani ukuthi libone ukuthi lisolala gophe.
Yes, njengamanje vele kusivele senyithi iplan ukuthi into wenda njani plus ini nyithi imali kusivele noma into ocasha li room noma kusiniyocela kamakhelwane even kamakhelwane njengale mumo noma semuyibona vele sekunjalo siphila nasi kunjalo kumandi ndekamakhelwane akunakusi nyola awulala kuphi ayinono kusivele into wenda njani.
And then also bontshela uthi umfazi wakho naye she just had an operation and then kube difficult because afanele agijime le toilet ukuthi lehlale khona manje unjani yena especially umuntu lo aba na operation and also ukuthi you guys lost a child in December.
Yes, so nalenza vele kusi I know kusi mtonisiza njani plus naye vele kusi mundu le une operation noma semuyaze akufanele kusi abe emandini isikhathi leside and then plus nyalo vele sekune makhata for yena vele sekubhlungu le into nami nizamile kusi okay as long as nizame inza ukuthi atokhona kuhlala naye vele ukuthi njengemfati vele solo week plus le into vele noma se anyathela amandla amaningi le into solo yamlimata lapha kunele ihlons and then now vele nice uyambona kusikunjani lo muntu vele I know ukuthi vele into endanya vele sengaphinda I know ukuthi into endanja like le into vele ibhlungu operation imani vele ayihambisani. Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. That was Thomas Mashila talking to us about the incident that happened here, saying that they don't know where they're going to sleep, they don't know what they're going to eat because everything now is wet, and also saying that he's unemployed, saying that he doesn't know where they are going to find their next meal, saying that they don't know where they're going to sleep tonight because obviously if they even go and find a room to sleep, they will need money to pay for that room. Also, his wife suffered an operation, had an operation where a C-section operation to give birth. That child subsequently died in December, and then now this incident just happened to them. You can imagine saying that the wife doesn't know what to do because also the fact that had an operation and cannot stand into water. It's also painful for her to be running around, especially at night when the situation was happening here, when the rain was coming in and damaging these houses. Also, a lot of houses in this area have been damaged. So we will be going to other places, speaking to the disaster management here in Etlhanzeni District Municipality to see how they're going to help these families, because they already have this house with a tent to cover, but that tent now has been damaged, as you can see. But also now, how are they going to help more families that their houses have been damaged? Not only here in Etlhanzeni region, other regions in Mpumalanga have also seen a trail of destruction. We have seen in Ermelo, we have seen in Brayton, in Carolina, and even in Middelburg, where rain also there have left a trail of destruction.